Last week I was trying to fix the bath towel with my serger, but then this happened. Oh, I didn't know what to do. The presser foot had moved and was pointing in the wrong direction. As you can see here with the red line, the green line shows where it was.
And it's like, no, I am so sad.
So I decided to see if I could fix it myself. I opened up the back. I could see where the Allen key here would make an adjustment, but I had to move the light out of the way. So here's the Allen key. You could make an adjustment with this in this manner, but I went a different route, so I'm going to put it all back. What I did was take the presser foot off, then the presser foot holder, this part here, and I used a wrench to gently give it a twist. Then I put it all back together again. If you have not changed your presser foot on your serger yet, here is a neat little trick. This is the foot. You put it into place as close to the bar as possible. You bring the arm down and then press this little lever. And check it out. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now let's manually see how it works.
It looks pretty good. Let's bring the needle down and see. It looks like we've got clearance. So I think we're okay.
Give it a test drive.
Phew. And I'm so happy now. So happy. Yeah. I'm so happy you're happy. I'm glad we fixed you.